What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachel, and today I'm playing with a new camera. I got my hubby a really nice Canon camera for his Anna birthmas. So like our anniversary, Christmas, and birthday, like 6 months early. But the benefit to me is that I get to play with it for filming. So today's look is going to be sort of like a dusty rose kind of look that will be wedding suitable, whether you're just a wedding guest, you're a bridesmaid. If the bride wants like a dusty rose kind of look, that's what we're doing here. So let's dive right in. I already have my base on, so let's get going. I'm gonna start off, I got 3 palettes in front of me. I don't know if I'm gonna use all 3, but I have 2 from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have the Modern Renaissance and the Soft Glam, and I have the Huda Beauty New Nude palette in front of me as well. So I gotta put a base on my eyes. Ooh, that adds some shadow on it. I'm gonna go in with Tempera. I'm taking it from the Soft Glam palette. That's that shade right there, but it is also in the Modern Renaissance palette. Okay, we are keeping it pretty light, so my crease shade is going to be Dusty Rose from the Soft Glam palette. Wonder, should I zoom in on myself here? Let's zoom in a little bit. Put me right in your face this time. At least while I'm doing eye stuff. Okay, next I'm going to take the shade Bone Fresco from the Modern Renaissance palette and use that as my transition shade. And I'm using a brush that is good for blending so that I can, blend this out as I go. We'll do more blending later. Okay, and then on my lid, I think I'm gonna do 2 different shimmer shades on my lid. No, first I'm gonna blend. I'm gonna take a blending brush and I'm really gonna blend all of this out. Okay, so like I do with any shimmer shade, I'm going to wet my brush with some Fix Plus. And I'm going to use Rose Pink from the Soft Glam palette. And I'm going to do the inner half of my eye. No cut crease or anything. We'll blend it out, make this a softer look. But I'm going to wet my brush again. And I'm going to go into the shade Fantasy from the Huda Beauty New Nude palette. And put that on the outer half. You know what? Since Fantasy is a lot shimmerier than Rose Pink, I'm gonna go over Rose Pink with Daydream from the Huda Beauty palette because that's the same finish. So then it won't be like half my eye is shimmerier than the other half. Okay, and now I'm gonna take my little mini blending brush. I'm gonna blend the edges into the crease and blend between the two shades. Okay, now for under my eye, I'm gonna go back into Dusty Rose from the Soft Glam palette, which is what I have in my crease. I'm gonna put some of Rose Pink in my inner corner. Ooh, that was too dark. I think I'm going to take my blending brush and go into Vermeer from the Modern Renaissance palette and kind of blend that into that dusty or that Rose Pink, just because that was a little too dark. And we want to brighten up the inner corner. Okay, now to highlight under my brow, I'm going to take my highlighter shade. I'm going to use my Smashbox by Vlada. This one, real pretty. I'm going to use this to highlight under my brow. Okay, that'll be it for the shadows. Next up, I'm gonna tight line my upper lash line with brown, my brown liquid eyeliner. And then add just a touch of definition to my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go into my waterline with my NYX Faux Whites in Linen. I'm going to use my Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara, just because it's raining out today. And I don't need any mascara going down my face. Okay, now time for some highlighter. Again, going in with my Smashbox by Vlada, the Petal Metal highlighter. She's looking snatched. I'm gonna go over some of that with a little bit of my Jeffree Star Supreme Frost in Diamond Wet. Just to really glow like a friggin' lighthouse. Alright, going on my lips with my ColourPop Lippie Sticks. Primer. And on my lips, I'm doing my Beauty Bakery Matte Lip Whip in the shade Honey. This is just the cutest nude shade ever. I love it. I usually reach for Beauty Bakery lip whips when I'm like going to a wedding, because then I know it'll still look good after I've eaten even a greasy meal, and it'll still look good by the end of the night. So then lastly, I'm going to set this all with my Skindinavia Bridal Setting Spray. And there we have it. We've got a cute little wedding look. And I'll probably just leave my hair up in a ponytail because that's just how I do my hair. Thank you so much for watching my video. To see another wedding suitable look, click here and click here to subscribe to me before you go. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.